Hi Jersey, your mom sent me videos of you playing your drum, which you did great on. I have a few ideas that might help you a little. I know you're counting because I can see your lips moving, but I think it might be helpful if you had an audible beat to hear. So one tool that musicians use is called a metronome. I have an app that I downloaded for free on my phone. You can order them online or at a music store, and it allows you to play with a beat and adjust the tempo. So, as you can see, there's a dial in the middle, so you can adjust the tempo faster or slower. And the number in the corner tells you how many beats per minute. So, for instance, 60 beats per measure is the time of 1 second. So, I'm going to dial it down to 60 so you can hear what that sounds like. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you listen closely, you can hear there's a higher pitched click on beat 1, so you always know where beat 1 is. And you can play in 2/4 time. So if you click that little thing at the bottom and then you go down to 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And you can adjust it faster. So here's 86 beats per minute. And I'm going to go back to 4/4 time. Go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to do all the same exercises that you played for me, and I'm going to use the metronome. So I'm going to use it at 86 beats per minute, and I would suggest that you can practice at different speeds. You can practice at 60, and then you can practice at 100. So here's like what 100 would sound like. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll go back to 86. And so this is the number 52, the performance warm-ups, the tone builder. Get it up here and get the metronome going. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. I think I missed a flam in there. It's a little hard to read. It's kind of small. So here's the rhythm etude. Etude is a French word for study. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then here's the rhythm rap. I'm going to do the clapping part first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3 and repeat. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. And now the rhythm rap, the snare drum part. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3 and 4. And 1, 2 and 3, 4. And 1, 2 and 3 and repeat. 1, 2 and 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3 and 4. And 1, 2 and 3, 4. And 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So the cool thing I was thinking about that is that you could play, if you want to practice with this recording, you can play that section with the clapping part, and you can play the snare drum part with the clapping part, and vice versa. Practice the clapping part with the snare drum part, so you can kind of like practice it like a little duet with yourself. So I'm going to move to Frere Jacques, which is in 2/4 time. So I'm going to change my metronome to 2 beats per measure, and I'm just going to keep it the same tempo. So here's Frere Jacques. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, repeat. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, and 2, and 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. Okay, the last one that I will do orally, I'm going to do it in a separate video because it's a little more complicated to explain, so it'll take a little bit longer. So I'm going to do that in a separate video for you.